Hello everyone, good morning. This is Shubham Sisodia and I am from Pune. So I am going to do a short vlogging about my today's day as it is very special for me. And right now I am starting from my home. My journey is towards Mumbai, but it is not to Rome. And I just got 3 hours of sleep last night. As I was so excited, I wasn't able to sleep, and the reason behind it I'll be sharing with you in a few moments. But I would like to show you my friend Sagar. Sagar, hi, bol. Yeah. So he is my friend, and he will be accompanying me to with this journey, and we are going to go by on a bike right now to Pune railway station. After that, we will be running. After that, we will be heading to Mumbai by train. We have our reservations done, and then let's see, we'll take a cab or something else. But destination, yes, it's very exciting, and it is no other than Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, as we all know, JBIMS College. And last year, same day, uh, many thoughts were going through my mind, and right now I have achieved it. So I'm very excited. I have my documents in the bag and I am going to take admission over there. So let's see what happens. I am very much excited and looking forward to this. Stay tuned, guys. हेलो फ्रेंड्स. सो अभी हम पूना रेलवे स्टेशन पे पहुंच चुके हैं. दिस इज़ द रेलवे डेक्कन क्वीन where we have a reservation, and Sagar has just gone to check our seats and the compartment. So till then, we'll just throw a short update. So the time is now 6:45 a.m. So hello friends, we are half an hour early, as I said that time was 6:45 and our train is going to depart on 7:15 a.m. So we have a lot of time, and until then I would like to just give a few background about me, few details. Uh, I have done my education from Pune. Sorry friends, बीच में pause करना पड़ा because of the background voice on the platform. So I was just telling that I have done my education from Pune, right from schooling, then junior college, then engineering from MIT, and now I'll be moving to Mumbai University. So there is a thrill kind of in my, and I am getting goosebumps. Yesterday when the cap allotment was declared and I got a seat from open, even though I am from category. So that was another thing, achievement for me personally, going and clearing the cutoff for open category. Exactly what I had decided a year ago. और अब बात करते हैं थोड़े से रेड बिल्डिंग के बारे में. इससे पहले तो सिर्फ मैंने, सॉरी, बैकग्राउंड वॉइस. हाँ, सो आई वाज सेइंग कि रेड बिल्डिंग को मैंने सिर्फ पिक्चर्स में, वीडियोस में देखा है, सिटी किंग के वीडियोस में देखा है, स्टूडेंट्स को उनके बारे में बात करते हुए सुना है, बट आई हैव नेवर एवर विजिटेड. आई हैव नॉट इवन विजिटेड मुंबई मोर देन थ्राइस until now, but today I will be going into the college as a upcoming student. So that excites me so much, and let's see, I'm looking forward to many things, even though it is just admission process and I just have to submit my documents. It is a big experience for me. So अभी ट्रेन की शुरू होने की देरी है. देन विल एंजॉय द जर्नी, विल रीच द कॉलेज, एंड उसके बाद मैं आगे के अपडेट्स देता रहूँगा कैसे मेरा दिन जा रहा है. So guys, it's 10:30 a.m. and now we have reached Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus CST, which is the nearest railway station to Jamnalal Bajaj. And now from here we'll be taking a cab and going straight to the college. So let's see. Finally we have reached Jamnalal Bajaj. So friends, हम दोनों JB से निकल के मरीन ड्राइव की तरफ चल रहे हैं. And literally we are walking from college. It is so close, just 1 kilometer from college. You can see these huge buildings. And we'll reach Marine Drive in no time. So let's see how's the view there. So we have reached our destination, Marine Drive. This huge building is actually Air India's office, and this was the road from where we have come and reached here. Nice view. Sagar is really enjoying the sea. That's the lovely Mumbai. It is so close to JBIMS hostel. Whenever you'll feel demotivated, this thing is going to motivate us. I'm so happy. I just hope that college is going to start offline now. Yeah. So guys, अभी हम यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर एंजॉय करते हैं, एंड देन उसके बाद हमारी ट्रेन है आधे घंटे बाद. So we'll have to rush there also, and then we'll start a return journey towards Pune. जैसे सुबह किया था वैसे ही सेम. From CST we'll be traveling to Pune station, and then we have parked our bike over there, and we'll be home for dinner tonight. So this was all about the day. My experience was really good at the college. Faculties सब बहुत कोऑपरेटिव थे, एंड उन्होंने काफ़ी हेल्प की हमारी डॉक्यूमेंट्स में. जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं थे उसके लिए सजेशन बताया. That was really awesome. I felt that I was a known member to them. They treated me very well, and it is a quick process if you have all the documents ready. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope every one of you watching this gets into this dream college some year.